Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make moringa powder. Tree can be found in India, Asia, South America, Africa. Almost all the parts of the moringa are eaten or used for medical purposes. As you can see, the moringa pod or seed is very rich in protein and omega-3. You can eat it or use it to make moringa oil. Why moringa is called miracle tree or tree of life. Stay tuned and find out how I make this moringa powder. Powder. You have to wash the moringa leaf to remove dirty or dust. Washing the moringa leaves, remove from the stem. Moringa has some small or tiny stem, is okay. Then you will spread the moringa and allow to dry. Avoid losing the nutrients from the moringa leaf. Don't dry the leaf direct to the sunlight. From 4 to 7 days for the moringa leaf to dry, depending on the temperature. After about 5 days, the moringa leaf is completely dry. Store the moringa leaves in airtight container and use it for other recipes. I'm a fan of moringa because according to my research, I found out that moringa has 25 times the iron in spinach, 12 times the vitamin in orange, 17 times the calcium in milk, and 15 times the potassium in banana. Moringa powder. I'll be adding some of the dry moringa leaf into a blender. Blend into a fine powder. Don't blend it, you can set aside. With a strainer, I'll be straining the moringa powder. This is optional. Moringa is a superfood that contains about 90 nutrients, and it is also called miracle tree because it has a lot of nutrient and medicinal properties. It is also high in protein, source of vitamin and minerals. Ways you can use this moringa powder: you can add it to your smoothie, yogurt, use it for baking. You can also sprinkle it on your salad or use it for facial masks. Store the moringa powder in airtight container or jar. Thank you all for watching. See you soon in my next video.